Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in for today's video. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty, where we discuss all things beauty and makeup with a little bit of lifestyle and blogging thrown in there. So I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming back. I have a treat for you all. So not too long ago, I had a fellow YouTube creator reach out to me via email, and she wanted to do a really cool collaboration with me. So that is today's video. I'm going to be putting together some makeup looks to complement two outfits that she put together. I will have her information linked down below, and I will put pictures in my video so you can see what looks I'm looking at when I create my two eye looks for today. That was a lot of looks. Sorry. So her name is Gretchen White. She's actually got a really cool personality as well. I would also encourage you to check out her Get to Know Me video because she's just like a really interesting person. I actually really enjoyed watching that video, Gretchen, and I think I commented on that video too that you're pretty neat. So she does focus around thrifting and vintage looks. She puts together lookbooks, I believe, once a week, and not too long ago she reached out and asked me to do a makeup look to go along with her video that she's uploading. This might be her first video for January. As always, if you are not subscribed to me, please definitely hit that subscribe button down below, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment anything that you would like to chat about down below. Also head over to Gretchen's video to see how she put together her looks. I'm not going to give any outfit details over here, so you definitely need to watch her video if you would like to see that. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump on in. For my first look, I think I'm going to do her outfit where she's wearing white. So she's in a white dress and she has this really pretty shawl on. When I looked at this, I was like, okay, how do you put together a look that doesn't take away from the outfit? Because I really liked the shawl, and so I'm thinking maybe we'll do a simple cat eye and a nice nude / pink lip. So these looks are both going to be wearable for work as well, because I work. I work full-time and I blog full-time outside of work, but these are definitely going to be office friendly. So let's go ahead and jump in. I went ahead and did my face, my foundation. So I'm using the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. This is in the shade, it's in a shade. It's in the shade Chestnut, so I have that on. For my concealer, I have the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Dark, and then I have my e.l.f. brow pencil on as my base. And then for eyes, for my primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer. And I think for this look, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I liked the colors it was giving me. I'll show you guys real quick. So that's what she looks like. I'm going to speed through me putting this look together, and then I'll pick out a lipstick.
Here, let's go back.
Alright guys, we're going to jump into look 2, and here is a quick photo of Gretchen's next look. Okay, so before I kick the eye look up a notch, I actually really like this look. If you're going from day to night, a quick tip to just dress up any look that you've already put together is to apply a bold red lip. So this is actually kind of similar to what she has on in terms of just the whole black and red contrast. So you can stop here if you want to. I'm going to speed through using the Lorac Pro palette, how I would take my current look up a notch, and show you guys what I would do. So I'll show you guys the color scheme. I might go with like a coppery gold eye looking at these two shades, but let's see, let's play. Let's see what I come up with.
What we do.
So I wanted to show you guys a comparison in the eyes between your daytime and your nighttime look, and they are definitely very different. Let me see if I can do this properly. So here's one. Ooh, I'll change the lip. I'll be right back. Sorry. I was like, I'll just show you guys side by side. Sorry, I just got really excited. I've never shown like two looks side by side before, and I was like, oh, this is the perfect time to do it. So here are the two looks side by side. This would go well with the black and red look. It would also go really cute with the white look, but I like the sharp contrast. So definitely played up more of a smoky eye. I put down a lighter shade under the gold shade that I ended with, just so it would pop a little bit more. And then for the like daytime look using the white outfit, this is what I came up with. So I'm like two different people right now. But in any case, I mean, both of these looks are appropriate for work. Both of them you could wear during the day or at night. I've definitely sported this around for events during the day at a time or two. So that is it, you guys. Comment down below which one of these looks you would wear. Definitely check out Gretchen's video. She walks you through her outfit details, which I'm gonna have to go check out her video to look at the outfit details because she just sent me photos ahead of time. So I will be tuning in to that today as well. Comment down below any questions that you have. Don't forget to check out Gretchen's channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed either one of these looks or the collab overall. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, take care and have a great rest of the day. Until next time, bye.